Do you have 2 minutes to see how fulfillment centers around the world are shipping faster, cheaper, and with less manual labor? Let's do it. TechSHIP is a multi-carrier shipping solution that takes the hassle out of small parcel and LTL shipping. With integrations to over 150 carriers and the ability to integrate with any system, you can fully automate your shipping process and say goodbye to all manual data entry. TechSHIP prints fully compliant labels and packing slips and will generate all documentation the carriers need for domestic, international, and dangerous goods shipping. The best part? TechSHIP is super configurable. You can print labels for any of your customers the way they need, on the accounts they want, and faster than ever without additional manual effort. Our state-of-the-art technology includes zone skipping, cartonization, next-generation rate shopping, and the ability to print return labels on demand. TechSHIP will connect with any carrier, so you always have access to the best shipping rates and services. Better yet, you can access our exclusive freight programs to bring down your shipping costs and utilize our freight markup features to keep the markups for yourself. Worried about retraining your team on the floor? Don't! TechSHIP is easy to train on and will adapt to your unique operational processes to save your team time on the floor. Use TechSHIP Desktop at your packing stations to print labels for one order at a time and integrate with your scanners, dimensioners, and robots to fully automate the process. Or use TechSHIP Web to print hundreds or even thousands of labels and sequential packing slips within seconds. TechSHIP, a next-generation shipping tool to help simplify your fulfillment.